Good morning to you all. Today we are going to discuss about ecological pyramid in an ecosystem. First of all, what do we mean by ecological pyramid? Since many days we are talking about ecosystem, its different types of ecosystem, its structure. So we are going through one by one the chapter Our Environment. In this chapter, I have also made you understand about the food chain, food web. In food chain, I have told you the eating of animals, one or another. So this means interdependency. So if we try to show this food chain in graphical और by graphical representation, अगर हम इसी food chain को graphical representation के द्वारा दिखाना चाहें तो हमें एक pyramidal structure मिलेगा. And this is what known as ecological pyramid. What it is said? Ecological pyramid. So why this pyramid? आखिर हम लोग इसे पिरामिड क्यों बोलते हैं? अगर आपको याद हो या आपने कभी पिरामिड देखा होगा तो आपने देखा होगा कि बेस जो होता है वो पिरामिड का वो ब्रॉडर होता है और जैसे जैसे ये ऊपर की तरफ जाता है ये बिल्कुल नैरो होता जाता है. Means from broader shape to the narrower shape. This is what is known as, and it takes the structure of pyramid. This is what the pyramid. The same happens in ecological pyramid. This ecological pyramid was first given by Eltonin. There was a researcher, there was a scientist named Eltonin. He has given this pyramidal structure. So this structure is also known as food pyramid. It is also known as tropical pyramid or also called Eltonian pyramid. In the year 1927, first it was given. If we go through the types of ecological pyramid, there are three types of ecological pyramid. That is the first one, pyramid of number. Second one, pyramid of biomass. And the third one of pyramid of energy. Pyramid of energy. Second very important thing about this pyramidal structure or ecological pyramid, shapes. The ecological pyramid of numbers, biomass or energy have different shapes. Numbers, the pyramidal structure may be, you can say, upright. It may be in upright direction. It may also be inverted. It may also be inverted. Or it may be taken as spindle shape in pyramid of number. This pyramid of numbers may be in these shapes. Pyramid of biomass, that also may be upright and inverted. Upright and inverted. Pyramid of energy will always be one type. Always be one type, and that is upright. ये हमेशा upright होगा pyramid of energy, क्योंकि मैंने अपने last video में आपको बताया था कि flow of energy is unidirectional. Flow of energy is unidirectional. So let us go through one by one about this pyramid of number, pyramid of biomass and pyramid of energy. The pyramid of number shows, it represents the number of animals or the number of organisms at each tropical level. ये show करता है, ये represent करता है number of organisms at each tropical level. How it is shown? See, at the base, as we know, producers are there and they are abundant. ये producers जो हैं वो abundant होते हैं, यानी कि green plants, और ये बहुत ही बड़े, बहुत ही ज़्यादा number में होते हैं. Then these producers are taken by the primary consumers. Then obviously primary consumers must be a bit lesser. Who are they? They are herbivores. Then secondary consumers, who are they? They are carnivores. And then tertiary consumers, who are they? They are top carnivores. So gradually their numbers are being decreased. धीरे धीरे इनके जो नंबर्स हैं वो डिक्रीज होते चले जाते हैं. And what I have taken the example of grassland. Let us take the example of grassland or terrestrial ecosystem. में अगर हम example लेते हैं, so suppose producers are grasses, lots of grasses are there, which are being taken by the primary consumers at the first tropical level. This is the producers, first tropical level, second tropical level, and the third tropical level we are talking about. So slowly you will see the number of animals are decreasing. This is what is called, and this pyramid is in upright direction. So this is the pyramid of number, and the example is taken of the upright direction of pyramid. It may also be inverted. How can we say it may also be inverted? Let us take the example of a tree. This tree is 1 in number. And the same tree is taken by the place where lots of herbivores, you can say, are dependent. Lots of herbivores are dependent on this tree. We can take rabbits, we can take birds, we can take other birds, those who are living on trees. They are eating the fruits, they are eating the stem part, they are taking the flowers. Lots of things are there. They are being taken by the herbivores, and these herbivores are utilized by the parasites. So we have taken the parasitical ecosystem, and these parasites are being used by the microparasites. And if you see this pyramid, then this pyramid is inverted. So this is the another pyramid of number, where the tree is only one. A big oak tree is there. You can take a big oak tree is there. There herbivores are there. Their numbers are more than the trees. Then the parasites are more in number than the herbivores. And then finally microparasites are there, which are in abundant. So this pyramid is inverted. Now, how can we say that the pyramid of number may also be spindle shaped? Once again, we can take the example of a tree. These trees are being taken by the birds. The number of birds may be more at the first tropical level. It may be more. And these birds are eaten up by the hawks. Taken up by the hawks. And see the number of hawks are lesser than the birds. So is it like spindle or not? Is it looking like spindle or not? So the pyramid of number may also be spindle shaped. Now let us go through the pyramid of energy. Always remember, as I told you, in pyramid of energy, the shape will always be of one type. And what is that? That is an upright pyramid. Why? Because flow of energy at every trophical level is lesser than the producers. Producers are at the base of flow of energy. And as the energy passes one trophical level to another trophical level, it reduces. जैसे जैसे एनर्जी एक ट्रॉपिकल लेवल से दूसरे ट्रॉपिकल लेवल पे या फिर प्राइमरी कंज्यूमर्स प्रोड्यूसर्स से प्राइमरी कंज्यूमर्स और देन सेकेंडरी टर्शियरी क्वार्टनरी कंज्यूमर्स तक जाता है, उनमें एनर्जी लेस होता जाता है. और ये हमेशा यूनिडायरेक्शनल है. आइदर इट इज एन इकोसिस्टम, एक्वेटिक इकोसिस्टम, टेरेस्ट्रियल इकोसिस्टम, ग्रासलैंड इकोसिस्टम और एनी काइंड ऑफ इकोसिस्टम, द फ्लो ऑफ एनर्जी विल ऑलवेज बी अपराइट, more to less. So this is what I made you understand about the flow of energy. For example, you can take, this is what the producers, then these producers are taken by the primary consumers, then they are taken by the secondary consumers, then tertiary consumers, and finally quaternary consumers. Slowly it's getting lesser. Now the third pyramid is of biomass. Pyramid of biomass. What do we mean by biomass? Biomass means the weight of anything or weight of something. So we can define this pyramid of biomass like biomass is the total weight of living matter. Biomass is the total weight of living matter per unit area of an ecosystem. Per unit area of an ecosystem. That can may be upright or it may be inverted. Pyramid of biomass may be in upright direction or it may be inverted. How? Then I am going to make you understand. Let us take the example of grassland. Let us take the example of grassland. In grassland, you can see that the grasses have taken more place and the weight is more. These grasses are taken by the herbivores and the number of, or you can say the dry weight, if suppose it is 1000 kg, then the dry weight of herbivores will be 100 kg. And these herbivores are being taken by the carnivores, then it would be 10 kg. And then at last apex consumer, the last top carnivores are called, at the top whosoever living organisms are there, they are called apex consumers or the top carnivores. So the top carnivores will be of 1 kg. So if you watch this properly, slowly at every trophical level, the dry mass is decreasing. And it represents the pyramid of biomass. That is what type of biomass? It is in upright direction. Upright pyramid. Then what is the example of inverted pyramid in case of pyramid of biomass? In inverted, we can take the example of aquatic ecosystem. We can take the example of aquatic ecosystem. In aquatic ecosystem, if you see, then the big fishes weight is more. Their dry weight is more. And then they are taking smaller fishes. And these smaller fishes are dependent upon zooplanktons. And these zooplanktons are dependent upon phytoplanktons. So at the base, there are very small phytoplanktons found in aquatic ecosystem, which are taken by, these phytoplanktons are taken by zooplanktons, which are taken by small fishes and then big fishes. And if we go through their dry biomass or their weight, it is in increasing order. Increasing order, not in decreasing order. So this is inverted pyramid of biomass. So what I made you understand today? I made you understand today 3 types of biomass. That is biomass of number, that may be inverted, may be upright, or may be spindle shaped. Biomass, pyramid of biomass means it may be upright or it may be inverted. And then pyramid of energy, it will always be upright position. So I hope you people have understood it well. If you have understood it well, then please wait for the next video, which is on the topic ozone layer. Thank you, class 10. Thank you all of you.